This is Caesar 1.5. Eorum una par. So this is, again, referring back to the context of these folks. One part of these people, um, which it is said the Gauls occupy. All right, so this little "it is said" here, that's verb of saying. So this is infinitive, an indirect statement. So we get a verb infinitive and subject accusative there. A little weird though, but when you do quote someone indirectly, the subject goes in the accusative case and the verb is in the infinitive mood. It is said that the Gauls occupy this part. Initium capit. This is just a phrase that means has its source. You can kind of see it there. It has its source from the direction of, I put a lot in there, from the direction of the river Rhone. Okay, you can see ablatives there with a or ab. From the river Rhone, it is bordered, you can see the root of contain in there. It is bordered by the river Garumna. You can see these are also ablatives. So we've got ablatives of means here. Ablative of means. By the ocean, ablative of means, again. By the territory, same thing, ablative of means. Lots of ablative of means here. So what he's doing is he's describing what is bordering it. It is bordered by the Rhone, the Garonne, by the ocean, and by the territory of the Belgae. So this is like the 4 different sides of the nation of Gaul, which the Gauls inhabit. It reaches from the Sequani and the Helvetii, and those are tribes that occupy the area now known as Switzerland. It reaches from the Sequani and the Helvetian to the river Rhine. Okay, that's accusative there. It's the object of attinget, so do, big V there. And Vergit, it faces ad septentriones, to the north. I love septentriones. Read the note on that. It's the 7 stars that form Arcturus, the Great Bear, which is up in the north, because of course all of their navigation was done by celestial observations. So north was always that set of stars, that constellation. So let's talk a little bit about this word fines, finium. It's a feminine plural, and it means territory. And there's a really nice explanation of this. If you have a finis, singular, that just means border. Okay, so let's say you put in a bunch of borders. How about you put Okeanos there? How about you put the, what's it called, the Garonne River here? How about you put the Belgae up here? All right, let's label these. We've got Belgae. We've got Okeanos, the Atlantic Ocean. Down here we have the Garumna River. All right. And over here we have let me get this. Messing this up here. We have Rhodanos, the Rhone. So if you have more than one border, here we go, 4 borders, then you have territory. And that's what Caesar is describing. Belgae are up here. The Atlantic Ocean is over here. The Garonne kind of separates, well, it's close to the boundary between France and Spain. And the Rhone is right there, kind of separating Switzerland from France. So that is the territory of Gallia.